Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the S&P 500 futures chart. As you can see, for a third day in a row we're trading in the red here on Friday, currently at 3,650. Prior to the US market opening we were a lot lower. We did go as low, the session low was 3,630, but since then we've paired those losses and we're currently trading 20 points higher up at 3,650 as I just mentioned. So, dips like this are going to occur. I did forecast this last week. I said, we've achieved all-time highs. The stock market has rallied significantly since last month. So it's it's actually a very good sign that we're forming kind of a platform here and just taking a breather here at all-time highs. We haven't had any dramatic moves towards the downside, which is a very good sign. And I do forecast the strength to return here in the S&P 500, especially going into January 2021, where we have earnings season. So we have a lot of the companies that will report earnings for their previous quarter, and I'm expecting it to be a very, very strong quarter, especially for big tech stocks like Apple, Google, Amazon, Facebook, because of course, COVID-19 is still a massive threat. There's over 3,000 people dying on a daily basis in the US now, which is just insane when you think about it. And people are still scared to go to the shops. So a lot of the purchasing for Christmas, buying gifts for their loved ones will be taking place online, and so the big tech stocks will benefit. And of course, Apple is the largest stock in the S&P 500. So if Apple has a good day, then typically the S&P 500 has a good day, and I really do expect this to reflect going into January 2021. So I would be a buyer of the dips. My advice to all the investors out there is to stay invested, especially in the Nasdaq and the S&P 500. I do believe that it will only be a matter of time until we do go and retest the all-time highs, and I do forecast for us to break up to brand new all-time highs and trade up towards 3,800. 3,800 was my take profit price going into the end of the year, but I'm very confident that we will achieve it in January if we don't hit it this month. So I'm a buyer, no interest in selling. Don't even think about trying to sell the S&P 500. Just simply buy the dips, because if you sell it you will lose money. It's a very difficult skill to have. Yes, there are pullbacks that occur, but they're very quick and sudden, where you're much better off buying the dips, of course, because these indices were, at the end of the day, they are a product designed to go higher, and that's exactly, if you zoom out and look at the bigger picture, that's exactly what they do. So you're much better off to trying to buy the dips, and that is exactly what I'm doing here. So I'm a buyer, no interest in selling.